In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your HP Smart Tank 580 model. If this isn't the exact model that you have at home, then not to worry, this video should be able to help you as well, as it's a fairly easy solution which is transferable to any and all other printer models. So what you're going to need to do is go to the back of the printer to where the paper is installed and just have a look. At the moment the paper is down and ready to be inserted into the machine, but we're just going to remove it and then restart to make sure that it's going to be able to be feeded down. So you want to take out the paper gently, and we're just going to have a look as well to make sure there's nothing down there, which it looks pretty clear, which is great. Also, it's worth checking that the slider there is set to the right setting. So it's set to A4 currently, which is great. That's where it should be. It's quite important to make sure this is set correctly before you put your paper in. If you try and put your paper in and it's set too far to the right, it's not going to fit, and if you force it, you may cause a paper jam or stop the paper feeding. Or if you set it too far to the left, then it may mean the paper can move around too much, and when the paper gets fed in, it will cause a jam or may tear the paper, and then that will cause a lot of issues because you won't be able to reach inside the machine to get the ripped paper out. So that's best to avoid that by just making sure the slider is in the correct location before inserting the paper. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and reinsert your paper into the machine. Now it's important not to force it, just allow the paper to slide in to the correct position. And once it's there, that should be correct, and you should be able to print. What I would recommend if you're receiving error code for this problem though, is just to turn off your printer like so, allow it to fully shut down, and then once it is ready, we can turn it back on and set it back up again, and then it should kind of reset the paper feeder, and it will acknowledge that you've reinserted the paper in the correct fashion, and you should be able to print once more. So we'll just turn it back on, allow it to fully set up the machine, and you should be ready to go. It's also important to make sure that the tab here is open, so when you do print, the paper will have somewhere to rest. And if you don't have this, it's not the end of the world, but the paper may fall on the floor, which would result in possibly a document getting dirty or folding and crumbling. So you don't want that, of course. You want to make sure that your paper stays nice and flat. So you can see now that the printer has begun setting up and is now ready, and on the screen it is not displaying any error codes. It is up and running and ready to print. So that has fixed the issue. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you have any questions or queries, do drop us a comment down below and we'll be sure to get back to you. As well, if you have any suggestions on videos you'd like to see in the future, we'd love to hear your feedback. Please do check out our other videos as well if you're looking for any assistance on how to set up your HP Smart Tank or any other printer models. Thank you very much for watching. My name's Pat, and this is Printers with Pat.